Despite losing the return fixture to Mile Gully, Baptiste Alliance advanced to the second round of the Jamaica Women's Premier League knockout competition with a 4-2 aggregate win. After winning the first game 3-0, Baptiste lost Saturday's game 2-1. Natasha Malcolm put Mile Gully ahead on the day with a 40th minute strike. Nashley Powell gave Mile Gully some hope of pulling off the upset when she put her team 2-0 up in the 63rd minute. But they could not overcome the deficit, and Kerry Ann Sterling put the tie to bed when she scored for Alliance in the 85th minute.
Fairly level, especially in the first half. You know, where both teams were having chances but didn't score because the goalkeepers were doing well. You know, further down in the second half, I made 2 changes, which I had an injury with my right back, and that was where my team went downhill. You know, but we fought, and we got back a goal to have a 2-goal cushion, and there it was.
Elsewhere on the day, Springers United put on a commanding display to overrun visitors Veer United 5-2, but lost the tie with a 6-5 aggregate scoreline, having lost the first game 3-1.